If you want to clear cookies and site data in the Chrome browser or the Samsung Internet browser on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then first of all, I'm going to show you how to do that in the Chrome browser. So let's open Chrome, tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then in here we have the delete browsing data option. Next, you should be able to tap on more options, and then here you can select cookies and site data. Let's say you want to only get rid of these things, so make sure that everything else is excluded. You can also select the time range here at the top. By default we have last hour selected, but we can switch to, for example, all time if you want to completely remove all cookies and site data on your browser, and then tap on delete data in the bottom right corner. In the case of the Samsung Internet browser, we need to tap on these three dots in the bottom right corner and then choose settings. In settings, scroll down a little bit and then go to personal browsing data. Now in here we have delete browsing data, and then you can do exactly the same thing. So you can just select cookies and site data, you can adjust the time range or time period, and then confirm by tapping on delete data. Leave a like and subscribe.